I will show you one of my proven methods on how to make your closure lay flat and looking natural. This is another requested video. I'll be showing you this method on our ombre lace closure wig. This is a custom wig, by the way. The first thing you need to do is to comb out all of the knots in your closure because we want your closure to be knot free. I tried my best to roughen up this wig for you so that I can show you this method properly. I have chosen a center parting for this closure wig. Take the heads on your closures in sections and use a hair straightener to straighten it. This is the first stage of getting your closure to lay flat. Do ensure that your hair straightener is on high heat, and also make sure that your hair is 100% virgin hair. If you have synthetic hair, you are going to burn your hair using this method because this method only works with human virgin hair, which is good quality hair. If you wear wigs, you should be familiar with this annoying short baby hairs. There's nothing you can do about them. You can't get rid of them simply because of the way that the closures are made. They need to be there, but there is a way to disguise them. To do this, you will need a hair dryer with a concentrator nozzle. Set your dryer on the highest heat. And press the nozzle down from the root, pushing forward 4 inches. Do this across your parting line. You can see the difference straight away. One side is flat and nice and the other side is bulky. This is the same method we use in our factory to flatten our lace wigs, closures and frontals. If you still find that your wig is not laid as flat as you would like, I'll show you how to fix that. This time, separate your hair in sections as you did when you straighten it. Then using the same method, push down the nozzle from the roots on each section. If you've not already done so, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how you can look more natural when wearing your wig. Let me know in the comment section if you found this tip helpful. Also, feel free to share this tip with someone that you know that will benefit from this method. This is the finished look. You can transform your wig like this using my method. As you can see, it's beautiful, laid flat and very silky. This wig is on sale. I will leave the link for you in the description box below. For more tips and tricks, watch this lace closure playlist I created for you.